Hi, I'm Gao Zong. I do content at Visla, and today we're excited to share a new feature that will make your videos more dynamic and engaging. Visla's AI will include transitions like fade, wipe down, or zoom to seamlessly connect your scenes and make your storytelling more compelling. Using transitions in Visla is incredibly easy. Let me show you how. Create a video in Visla and select the image and video input. Then import or upload all of your images and video files. I'm going to just drag and drop mine. You can see they're uploading here. Once that's done, describe the video you want to create. For my video, I want to create a promotional ad showing all of the skincare products at a company named Silk. I'll include some key information like what is the brand focused on and what is the type of video I want. Also for this video, I do want narration, meaning Visla's AI will generate voiceover for my video. Then I generate.
Welcome to Silk, where we believe in the power of nature to nourish your skin. We understand the struggle of finding skincare products that are both effective and kind to the environment. That's why we've created our vegan.
As you can see here, there are transitions between each image to help guide my audience through the story. What's really cool about Visla's AI is that it can process what's happening in each of your images and video files so that it can decide what visual to show for each scene. As always, if you want to edit the transition, you can go into the editing workspace. And over here on the left-hand side, we have a new transitions panel where you can see all of the transition options. If you want a different transition, just grab the one you want and drop it between each scene either here or down here in the timeline. You've got a few editing options, such as the duration of the transition, so you can go up, down, and you can preview it.
We understand the struggle of...
You have the option to apply all, meaning this transition will be applied to each scene, or if you don't want a transition, simply delete it. Our AI will include recommended transitions for video montages. However, if you want transitions for videos that start with an idea, text, blog, or audio file, you can manually add it just like we did before. Transitions serve as visual guides to help your audience through your story and keep them engaged from start to finish. We're really excited for all of you to use this new feature enhancement. Thanks for watching!